This is a burrowing owl. They actually dig holes in the ground. And that's where they make their nests. They're little owls. About 8 inches tall when they're full grown. Let's see if I can get the other one over there. That's probably the male because he's a little bit bigger. And
that one's gone over here.
Right there's the female. Let's go take a look at the burrow. That is the burrow right there. I'm not going to get near it because I don't want to make the owls mad. We'll go over and see if we can see the babies that were outside the other one a couple of days ago. There's 2 of them right there. The nest is, or the hole is right on the other side of that hill where they're at. Because there was 4 of them there. One flew away and one ducked on the other side. There's one right there. You can see there's the white rock. They've been sitting there for a while. There's one right there. There's another one. And we'll go over a little bit farther. There's another one. Heck, there was like 5 here. There's 2 of them right there. I don't know if you can hear them or not. They make a little screeching sound. I think those things would make a cool little pet. They're little tiny owls. You can usually get pretty darn close to them. Oh, that one's giving us a nice look at the camera. There's a baby one right there. This one is probably 20 feet away from us. He's a perfect little poser. Let's zoom in. Look at that. Shut off the car. That one's sitting 20 feet from us. Doesn't even care we're here.